Yes, babes, it's a man, all the fire 777. Yep. Today, Friday, we're down by Regatta. And, you know, it's a mobile car wash thing. Mostly Jamaicans doing it. So, you know, a lot of the guys are here doing them thing, you know. And over there, so you have MJ's Spotless. Yeah. So, this is how the guys them do it. These are Jamaicans. Yeah. As you see, tank. You have a tank. And you have a pressure washer, a vacuum. Yeah. And this guy have a, you call it now? You call this again? Inverter. Yeah, you have an inverter. But not everybody have an inverter. So as you see him just done wash the car here and clean it up. So it looking real clean, both inside and outside. Yeah. You do the seat? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. As I say, clean seats and everything. Shampoo seats and all of that. Yeah, and it's looking good. And over here, so I have, where over here, so I have Mr. Clean. Yes. And trust me, Mr. Clean, I really Mr. Clean. Love what you're doing, you know? I do and love. Yeah. And it's theme bus set up different. Yeah. This is our iJet. Yeah, where is so? We have a big generator, pressure washer, and a small tank with water. No, not short or nothing at all. Yeah, this is how it's set up. Yeah, man. All the fire 777. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah. So, you know, this is how they do it. By Regatta. There's a big parking lot, and over here I have a medical school, St. Matthew's University, School of Medicine, and a lot of different business places over here. Yeah. This is another car wash bus. It's not have no name. I don't know the name for it, I should say. Yeah. I don't know the name for that one here. And this is another one. Yep. It's another one. Care what's your name again? Oh. Apple Bottom.
Why bottom?
Apple Blossom. Apple Blossom. Apple Blossom. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. So see generally, yeah, him drive Apple Blossom, you know, not Apple Bottom, but Apple Blossom. Yeah, over here so you have Judah, you know? Yeah, you know, Lion of Driver Judah.
Yeah, man. So all I support us, them all watch.
5% discount. Yeah. So now, now I'm going by soon forward Governors Square for a vehicle. I'm going to get a vehicle right now. So stay tuned. I want you to go. Yeah, so this is Governors Square. Yep. And a lot of other places over here too. Other business place over here. So, going around the back here. So, we have a police school over here too. Yeah. So, I'm going to get the car now. Just stay tuned. Once you're gone. Yeah. stay tuned as I go get the key from the lady. So I got the key now. So I'm just going to get the car. Yeah. So it's a long walk. But it's just work. Life of a Jamaican in Cayman. Yeah, and how we survive. Yep. So this is it. Yeah. It's pretty hot in here. Just stay tuned and reach over. I'm ready to watch it. Ready to wash it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm back now. Where the bus is parked, and I'm gonna park right beside it. Yep, let's see, it's 30. Yep, so this is it. Yeah, you can see, look closely, you can take the rims are very dirty. Yeah. So stay tuned, sort out the vehicle here, and get back to you.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart.
Yep, so it's done now. One is done now. Yep, this car is finished now. So look at it kind of far. So clean, huh? Yeah. Nice, peeps. So this is it. Yep. Customize, please. So move on to the other one. This is another Ford Explorer. Yeah. Seems pretty dirty. So I'm gonna take it on now. Yeah, the sun is hot. The sun is very hot. Yeah, inside of it seems very dirty, so check me out on maybe. Yeah, proper detailing. You know, like a Jamaican and a details, huh? The details are good. Awesome. Proper detailing.
show them how they man. When they don't want to make them, when they pull up on the right, that's it.
Yeah, pull up right up a regatta. Yes. Westin there across the road out there, so. Right across from Westin. Carwash over there, so. Right across from Carwash.
Come in this hard, we can't find a walk. Look on them at Yara, look on them at Yara. Watch that. Look on that.
Yeah. Say look.
How long now I don't make them see what I want? That's what I want.
Yeah, that's sun.
Oh, hard do they walk? Oh, hard, oh, long. Hard sun.
Yeah.
Sun.
Yeah, sun hot. Yeah, but we don't look a shade now, you know? Alright, so it look dirty. Alright, I'll check him out back when he's done do it. So, finish with the one here too. It's Friday evening, and Friday evening work now done right now until night. So, this is it. Yeah, Explorer finish. Clean on the outside, clean on the inside. That is it. Stay